My name's Cider, and today we're making rice salad.
We're making a summery rice salad because the weather's really hot. This is a simple salad. It's easy to put together. You can double the recipe if you're having guests. Okay, so it's very simple. We are putting 2 cups of rice, cooked brown rice. If you want to cheat, just buy the packet ones that are already done at the shops. It's pretty easy. We're going to put 1 whole red onion, finely diced, a whole red capsicum. This is such a colourful salad, perfect for this weather. This really helps make the salad. It's apple. It's just red apple chopped up. You don't have to take the skin off. It's good because it actually gives the salad a crunch and a fresh burst of sweetness. And 1/3 of a cup of just chopped parsley. And 1/3 of a cup of raisins, which give it a really nice sweet flavour with the curry. Sultanas, okay. So we are making the dressing for it, which is 2 teaspoons of the curry powder. So 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 whole garlic clove for the dressing, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, just a nice mild olive oil because you don't want it to overpower the taste, and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, Olive's favourite, maple syrup. Can you come and shake this for me? Shake it really well, okay? Because that's the dressing that we're going to put on top of the salad. Look how amazing this salad looks. Look at these colours. The kids love it, filling because of the rice. Come on, you finished? Okay, that was good shaking. Were you dancing and shaking? Okay, we'll pour it on top. Do you want to pour it on top for me? All right. Whoa, and I'll mix it through. Be sure to make this rice salad. It is delicious. And also, if you want some more recipes, we've got so many on our website. It's thetabletv.com. And if you want to go to our Facebook page, we've got plenty on there too. It's The Table TV Show. And we will see you at the next episode. Enjoy the salad.